Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Patade. So here I am to let you know my journey with Itvedant and my placements where I have got placed. So basically my interest in data science and data analytics came from my engineering minor subjects which were related to DBMS and big data. So there I thought of doing something in data science and data analytics. After my engineering, the next month I spent in research in courses for data science and data analytics, where I came across two to three institutes which were giving me courses for data science and data analytics as well. So in all these three to four institutes, I came across Itvedant, which was providing me courses in diploma as well as PG master courses in data science and data analytics. So first thing was they had all the syllabus related to my data science data analytics career. Secondly, the fees that they were asking for was very pocket friendly. So once I got into the admissions process, all the faculty that was related to my admission process were very helpful in all my needs. Every small details, every small request of mine was fulfilled by them. Secondly, once I got my admissions, all my modules started. The first module that was started was Python, and followed by machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and so on. So while the training process, all the faculties that taught all these modules gave us all the assistance that was needed. Also, where if my doubts were not cleared, it was cleared there and there itself. Also, if I needed if I had any doubt in the whole day while practicing at my home, I also got assistance through my phone to a phone call. After completing all the modules, we got a training which was based on a profile building, where all my soft skills and personality development training was given to us. After the training was over, we had two mock interviews, which was taken. For the first mock interview was taken by our faculties itself, and the second mock interview was taken by our second faculty. That was a cross faculty mock interview. After the interview was taken, after we cleared the mock interviews, we were job ready and were suggested to multiple companies, which were MNCs, startups, and many other companies. So after I was suggested, I got shortlisted for this company named ATCS, Advanced Technology Consulting Services. So I am glad that I got selected in ATCS. ATCS is one of the topmost MNCs in the country, which has 10 offices across 5 countries. I would like to thank all the training and placement team that supported me and assisted me in all means. Now, if you ask me whether I would suggest or recommend Itvedant to any fresher, so my answer will be yes. I would love to recommend Itvedant to all the freshers and the people who are aspiring to have a career in data science and data analytics. So I would like to tell you that you will receive all the assistance that you need to make the career in data science and data analytics. I would like to thank all the Itvedant family, which helped me to get through all this way to make my career in this data science and data analytics field. Thank you so much.